Hello everyone, this is Archana Singh. Welcome to NANC Nikhil Archana NEET classes. So in continuation with the physiological metabolism in plants, today let us talk about light harvesting complexes. See, all the pigment molecules in a photosystem can absorb photon, but only a few chlorophyll molecules associated with the photochemical reaction. These photochemical reaction centers are specialized to convert light into chemical energy. Now, the other pigment molecules in a photosystem are called light harvesting molecules. Now, they absorb light and transmit rapidly to the reaction center. Now, the light dependent reactions, they require sunlight. So the chloroplast, when exposed to light, synthesize ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, from ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and phosphate, reduce NADP to NADPH2 and evolve oxygen. Now, the process is called photophosphorylation, the synthesis of ATP. Now, it is of two types, non-cyclic and cyclic. Now, during non-cyclic electron pathway, electrons taken from water move from photosystem 2, PS2, to photosystem 1, to NADPH plus. Now, NADP plus. Now, the ATP and NADPH produced are used by dark reaction where light is not required, and in order to reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Now, let us talk about cyclic electron pathway. What is this? Here what happens, the energized electron leave photosystem 1 reaction center, chlorophyll A, and are taken up by an electron acceptor which passes them down an electron transport system before they return to photosystem 1. Only ATP production is the net result of cyclic pathway. Now let us review the differences in photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Now in first I'll talk about photosystem 1 and then photosystem 2. So photosystem 1 is located on the outer surface of the thylakoid, the chloroplast, and photosystem 2 is located on the inner surface of the thylakoid. Photosystem 1 is involved in both cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, whereas photosystem 2 in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Now, photosystem 1 molecular oxygen is not required, whereas in photosystem 2 photolysis of water take place and molecular oxygen is evolved. Now, in photosystem 1 receives the electron from photosystem 2 and produces a strong reductant which reduces NADP plus to NADPH2, whereas in photosystem 2 it donates electron to photosystem 1 when NADP plus is reduced. Again in photosystem what happens? The ratio of chlorophyll and carotenoid is between 20 to 30 is to 1. Whereas in photosystem 2, the chlorophyll and carotenoid pigment ratio is 3 to 7 is to 1. Now, the other details regarding light and dark reaction of photosynthesis to be dealt in other slides. So friends, remove all negative thinking that hinder your way to success, replace it with optimism and see the changes. Thank you very much.